next technique is salt. You need to wet the paper evenly, but not completely soaking, not a pool of water. You need as you can see, it's being evenly spread. Now let's add some salt. So here I have some salt, which is a mixture of fine salt and rock salt and sea salt. And we'll just sprinkle it. And let's see what results we get. You have to let it completely dry. You can add some more water, just a little bit. And you can slightly move the paint around as well if you want to. Let's see what happens with this one. This one has to completely dry. I'll move on to the next one.